Hi, I'm Michael Nelly with the Blueprint News Network. Here at Downers Grove South High School, there's been construction underway, and one of the main renovations is the new auditorium. Here to talk about the changes going towards the auditorium is Principal Edward Schwartz.
Multi-level balconies with side balconies. The stage is much bigger with an orchestra pit. Set building room is bigger and greater access to the stage. And there's restrooms backstage for the cast members during performance. There are dressing rooms with restrooms that will double as extra restrooms in the hallways during the day. We're going to have a smaller studio theater, which we can do performances of all types.
Senior Gemily Corona talks about the older issues with the auditorium.
Some features I remember about the old auditorium was that it didn't fit very many students, even with the top balcony, and from the looks of it, with the new renovations, it looks a lot taller than before.
Schwartz comments on what the new auditorium means for students and how it's going to integrate them into new theater classes.
But I hope a lot of our performing classes go up. The new theater is also going to have a state-of-the-art rigging system with multiple lines, so you can have different backdrops go up, different lighting systems going up and down, things flying in and out of a scene. So kids are going to be able to learn greater aspects of theater.
Sophomore Declan Trent expresses his emotion towards the new auditorium and what it means for him as a sophomore.
Yeah, I do think I am excited. I think it'll be like a new modern update for when we go in there.
Schwartz states when the new auditorium is set to open.
The plan is to have everything done by August of next year. So for the next school year, have everything done, including the things that are being done in the building now.
This has been Michael Nelly reporting with the Blueprint News Network live from Downers Grove South High School.